Sindhi's every function is incomplete without Ho Jamalo song. Let us know story behind this song. In 1889, British built a railway bridge in Sakkar, Sindh. However, no driver was willing to take the train over that dangerous bridge. At that time, there was a prisoner, Jamalo Sindhi, who was sentenced to death, and he was given training to prepare the engine. And it was said that if he could take the train over that bridge, he would set free. After 2 months, when Jamalo successfully drove the train over that bridge, then the people of Sindh celebrated his victory by singing this song.
एको खटी आयो खैर सा ओ जमालो जंजी सिंध समूरी सूहा ओ जमालो ओ जंजो रोज़ो लाल लतीफ़